Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. This is Piano Awesome. And today I'm going to play When the Saints Go Marching In. This is a super fun song to listen to, and it's fun to play. The best thing about it is your hands stay in the same position, no moving all over the place. So it's a little easier to learn. Has some fun combinations. You use your pinky and your thumb at one point. That's kind of cool. Oh, when the Saints. Lots of fun. And staccato at the end where you just tap the keys real quick. Bump, bump, bump. Here, I'll show you how to play it.